Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to overhaul and inspect the hydraulic disc brake system. By the end of this video, you will be able to dismantle the hydraulic disc brake system, inspect the disc brake system and assemble the disc brake system. Let us get the tools, equipment and material required for this. Trainees Toolkit 1, Socket Spanner with T-handle 1, Wheel Spanner 1, Disc Puller 1, Micrometer or Vernier Caliper 1, Dial Gauge 1, Jack and Horse Stand 1, Air Compressor 1, Cotter Pin 1, Piston Seal 1, Banjo washers as required, brake fluid as required, cotton waste as required, wheel choke 1 set, and emery paper as required. Dismantling the hydraulic disc brakes. Chock the wheels and loosen the wheel nut. Jack up the vehicle in support with the horse stand. Remove the wheel. Remove the caliper pin bolt, dust boots, cylinder slide bush, carrier bolt, disc brake caliper and carrier. Remove the disc brake pad, calipers, dust cap and bleeder screw. Disconnect the brake pipeline. Remove the cylinder boot, circlip, piston and piston seal. Inspecting the hydraulic disc brakes. Clean all the metal parts in kerosene. Check the pads, linings, slide bush, piston seal and disc. Replace parts if damaged. Assembling the hydraulic disc brakes. Fix the piston seal and insert the piston in the bore. Fix the cylinder boot, bleeder screw and bleeder dust cap. Insert the brake pads. Fix the disc brake calipers on the carrier and align with the bush hole. Fix the slide bush, dust boots, caliper pin, bolt carrier with the caliper unit. Fix the carrier with the caliper holder and tighten it. Connect the brake fluid and fill. Bleed the system. Adjust and test the pedal free play and check the brake performance. In this lesson, we have learned to dismantle the hydraulic disc brake system, inspect the disc brake system and assemble the disc brake system. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.